writing some of those parts were very emotional, and nearly always I'd be in tears trying to get it down. And I have a day or two a week where I end up in Brizzy, so I catch the train, and I would just write on the train. And I remember sitting in a seat, one of those four seats, two seats that face each other, and there's three other people sitting there, and I'm typing away on my laptop and just crying, but still kept typing. And I'm sure the other people were wondering what the hell was going on, but um, it was really important for me to just get it out. But and then I would cry again later when I read it back and edit it, and I still sort of cry a bit when I read some of that. And overall, for me, that was quite cathartic because the more I sort of could get out, the better ultimately I felt.